Melissa from Buckeye Girls Decor and Lifestyle. This is Let's Get Excited for Easter. The hosts are Katie and the co-host is Crafting in Mimi's World. Please go check out their links in my description box and check out the playlist for more DIY crafting inspiration. Also, if you haven't, please subscribe, comment, and like the video so we can grow on YouTube. It helps. Put my 3 ribbons together that I'm using, and I just wrapped I bunched it and I wrapped the pipe cleaner around it. Then I wrap it around the peg. I wrap it around the nail at the bottom. And then I make sure all my ribbons are together. Then I bring it up over that peg. Gotta make sure it's wrapped around the nail. And you want to make sure the ribbon's even and together. And then do a twist. Up around the next peg. You want to make sure that ribbon's even. See how it's this pink is twisted. And you want to make sure all your tops is together when you bundle the ribbon. Then twist and make sure all of it comes twist together. And there's no wrinkles. You go to the next peg, and you just keep repeating that until you get. Okay, this is my end. That's as big a bow as I'm going to do because this is for a 4-foot Christmas tree, Easter tree. So I don't need a really big bow. I just want it fancy. Then I'm going to go over here and cut our ribbon. I give it a dovetail, and then I trim this, and I'm going to do some tails. And this is how you add tails to your bows. You measure out how long you want the tails, and I think that'll be pretty good. You can do this as much as 6-7 foot for your big trees, and you can go all the way up to here for your 6 and 7 foot trees for Christmas or for Easter. And then you just attach it right there, and then you go back and you dovetail the ends of the ribbon. And this will be your bow for your tree. And here's how you fluff it out and make it pretty. wrap it around. Then each color I like to put in a different direction each time. So like my pink is in the center, my polka dots over here, and my eggs are over here. Well, this time my eggs is going to be here. And this time I'm going to do polka dot, eggs, eggs. So see, they're not all the same colors aren't together. When you do that, you make sure you unroll that ribbon, because some of that ribbon, it'll roll up on you. I did in the video was make a bow, and it was for our Easter tree. And I think it turned out really pretty, and it goes right along with our vintage shabby chic Easter style we're going for this year. Tell me what you think about my bow. I think it turned out pretty. That was our first thing we did to finish off our Easter tree, because I'm working on my entryway table. The next thing I did was this cute little sign with the Easter bunny and the vintage looking paper and the little lace to go here on our entryway. And then I made this arrangement with the bunny butt, the turquoise roses. It's got buffalo plaid carrots and buffalo plaid and vintage looking Easter eggs tucked in there. This was the arrangement I made, little tiny yellow flowers with and greenery. This is the arrangement I made for here on the entryway table to match my table runner. Tell me what you think of this. And the little container, I found that on clearance years ago at Kroger's. And I seem to every year find a use for it, whether it be a fairy garden or a little arrangement. And it's nice that it's easy to change up. And this arrangement matches my wreath that's also here at the entryway table. Now I just have to finish the rest of the entryway.